We're going to do compact multiplication. This again relies on the fact that 16 times 13 is the same as 16 times 3 plus 16 times 10. Let's start with 16 times 3. 3 lots of 6 is 18. I can't write 18 in my ones column, so I write down my 8 ones and put 110 in the tens column. Then I move on to 3 lots of 10. 3 lots of 10 is 30, plus my 1 gives us 40. 16 times 3 is 48. Now I'll move on to 10 lots of 16, or 16 times 10. I know that I'm not going to get any ones, so I can immediately put a 0 in that column. 1 lot of 6 is 6. Because I have to write it in my tens column, I automatically know that that's 60. 10 lots of 6 is 60. I then move on to 1 lot of 10. This is the same as 10 times 10, which is 100. Now I can add them together. Giving an answer of 208. If we compare this to the expanded multiplication, we can see that 3 times 6 plus 3 times 10 is 30 plus 18, the same as 48. 10 times 6 plus 10 times 10 is 160, the same as 16 times 10. So you can see how this problem is slightly shorter to write out the answer than this one. Let's have a look at the more complicated problem. We'll start off by doing 6 lots of 27. 6 lots of 7 is 42. That's 2 ones and 4 tens to remember. 6 lots of 20 is 120, but I also have the 4 tens, giving me 160. Moving on to 30 times 27, I know I'm not going to get any ones, so I can put a 0 in that column. 3 lots of 7 is 21. Now I can move on to 3 lots of 2. 3 lots of 2 is 6, plus the 2 that I had left over from before gives me 8. 810. Add them together. I get 972. If I compare it again with the expanded method, I can see that these two answers here add to this section here. 6 times 7 plus 6 times 20. These two answers here are the same as this one here. 30 times 7 plus 30 times 20, giving the same answer, 972.